I hope everybody happy and healthy in your home. Today, after my children eat breakfast and study, so right now the time for lunch. So what I want to do, I think I still have a chicken in freezer, so I take it out, and now I want to make something is very easy. It's like kebab, but this kebab is not a kind like kebab regular, because I want to put some seasoning like Indian style. So I want to show you how to make it this kebab, because it's very delicious and is yummy. My children said yummy. Okay, I want to show you how to make it. Now, after I blended everything, now this chicken and all the spices in here. Okay, now we want to mix. But before that, I want to put in the ice bath for 1 hour, because I want to marinate this for 1 hour. Okay. My breadcrumb. This is my bread. I put my breadcrumb here. Okay, my chicken kebab is ready. Now time for my children to eat the lunch. So I hope everybody can try my recipe. Okay, see you next time. Bye.